bursting with excitement. Today I will be the most beautiful girl. I am the most shining girl. The confident girl is me. Let's start the journey of change. Let's consider it an art performance. We are ourselves, beautiful in our own way. Let's go!
Welcome back to my channel.
Like, share, and subscribe. Wow! Good job!
Which pair to choose? Oh, my baby! A naughty boy. A lovely girl.
Open the pink box. Wow! Hello.
Let's unbox.
Wow!
Tattle. Dinosaur. Bear. Crocodile. First challenge. Find the secret gift in 4 trash cans to find Wender pants. Oh no, a banana peel. Found what I was looking for, a pair of Wender pants.
Open orange box.
Challenge 2. Find 2 identical pictures in pairs to open the secret box. Search until you find the pants for Veneria.
yes! Wow! Good job!
This is Veneria Pants.
Open the blue box.
Match the missing pieces in the picture. The picture is missing different sized circular pieces. Find and assemble them into a complete picture.
Yes! Yes! Oh, yes! Yay! Open yellow box.
Colored faces and corresponding colored boxes. Find the color of the correct pinky necklace character.
Oh no! No, 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 no. Yes! Yay!
Which couple should I choose now? Blue gold or white gold couple? Game 5. Throw the colored sticks. Different colored tubes and sticks. Throw the colored sticks into the corresponding colored tube to receive the weight of love.
Open yellow box.
Game 6. Move the character through the zigzag path to get the reward of Pinky's dress. Suddenly, romantic music started playing. 3 handsome guys walked out. I never thought that beauty pageants would have backstage dating like this. I thought I would go home to sleep early, but ended up having dinner with a handsome guy.
But also incredibly sexy. Haha, beauty and charm, perfect combo. This contest is the beginning of more good things. Oh my god, I'm so nervous! It feels like every strand of hair is shaking with excitement. Haha, don't be nervous, Pinky. This is your chance to shine, not to be nervous. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye!